Kwan mamalo mar welo pod medo chopo kang'o ka Jaramogi mar kuyo gi mama Aida Odinga kaluwore gi nindo mar maneno gai mar ODM Raila Odinga. Tinyoro welo mawuok e riwruok mar mine kata maendeleo ya wanawake, jatend jodong Luo Odungi Randa to gi jotelo mamoko nyochopo mar yuago mosenindo Raila Odinga. Kanoloso tok chopo e liend Raila Odinga, jakom mar maendeleo ya wanawake Rahab Muya owacho ni Raila nokedo ne ratiro mar mine mapacho ka e okenge mopogore opogore. Korka kore Odungi Randa nopuoyo Raila kaka jal manohero kwe kod achiel mar oganda, kojiwo oganda mondo med nyayo mana kwe tok tho Raila Odinga.
Just pray for the family, pray for Mama Aida, give the nation time. Things will come to work well. I am sure the spirit is with all of us. You can see this has become the turning point. And as we come and reflect and think and cry, everything has happened in Kenya since 15th October, is to say it is too soon to make any judgment on anything. Time is the best healer. Tumuombe Mwenyezi Mungu aliyeumba baba na aliyemchukua atuchungie familia na asimame na sisi sote.
Tumepata pigo familia, pigo ya familia yake yote, wa Masai, wa kila kabila Kenya nzima. Lakini niseme tu, mimi nilikuwa special sana kwa baba. Lakini nilipoangalia kila mtu alikuwa special sana kwa baba. Kumbe wewe unafikiria ni wewe ndiye special. Ukiangalia mwingine unakuta kila mmoja alikuwa in a special place kwa maisha ya baba.
Jatend Migao Mateko pia Wandai osiema chudhe mosebedo